In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can apply conditional formatting to values that are between two specific dates in Microsoft Excel. So to do this, we're going to want to first highlight the data that we want to apply the conditional formatting to. Click conditional formatting under the Home tab, and then click on New Roles. And here you want to format cells that have cell values that are between two values. Now the reason why we're doing cell values and not dates occurring is because the dates occurring options are much more limited. So do cell values that are between the lower date and the higher date. Now these can either be one of two things. These can either be cell references, so we can have it be between the January 4th and January 8th, which will, by the way, include the 4th and 8th as well too. So, or you can have it be a number that represents the two specific dates. So, for example, like 41,000 and change will represent either of these two dates. Now, to apply the formatting that I want to apply to these cells, we click on Format. Just say we want a red fill with a green text. We can click on Fill, apply red fill, and then click on the font, and we want the font color to be green. Click OK, then click OK. And as you can see, now the cells between the dates between those two values are highlighted in red and green text. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.